Hello, I'm Clay Christensen, President of Mountainland Technical College. Let me be the first to officially welcome you to Mtech and our powerful statewide network of learners, innovators, and professionals dedicated to your success. As you begin your program here, you're not just starting a class, you're joining a college with over 50,000 alumni, hundreds of industry partnerships, and a proven track record of excellence. This is a place where careers take off and where hands-on training, expert faculty, and real-world connections come together to give you a true edge in today's workforce. Whether you're working in one of our cutting-edge labs, meeting with career advisors, or gaining experience through an externship, everything here is designed with your success in mind. At Mtech, we believe that education should be purposeful, practical, and personal. That's why our mission is clear: to enhance the employability of every student through market-driven, career-focused education and training. But more than that, we believe in you. We believe in your ability to rise and make a difference. That's why we surround you with award-winning faculty and staff who care deeply about your goals and will go the extra mile to help you achieve them. So get ready. This is your moment, and you're not doing it alone. You're joining a community that will challenge you, support you, and celebrate you. From your first day in the classroom to the day you walk out our doors, career ready and confident. Welcome to Mountainland Technical College. We're proud to have you with us.